Love languages. Is it a conversation you guys would like to have?
Except for that one.
Hey guys, good evening. Welcome to a brand new vlog. It is a Saturday and again starting it during date night hour. Me and Annie-san about to head out for our dinner date and then we're gonna catch a movie. The movie that we want to watch is A Quiet Place 2. I know, who am I? I usually never watch horror movies, but something about The Quiet Place just seems like, well, we'll see. I hope it's not as scary. The first one was okay. I really did enjoy it, and I was also one of the last people to absolutely watch it. Outfit of the day is really in the moment. I'm wearing Annie-san's shirt and some black biker shorts, like teeny bitty biker shorts, and that's it. So I thought I'll bring you guys along and let's get this vlog started. Let's go.
Tell you everything I've seen.
Hey guys, is it afternoon? It's not afternoon. Good morning. Today is Sunday. Me and Annie-san are out and we are headed out. We're going to Serena for brunch and I thought I'll take you guys along with me. Plan of the day, eat. My plan is to drink. His is to eat. So see, teamwork makes the dream work. That is us. A chutney and this.
Kymmiee likes poking big things at her face. Or
I know you're jealous.
putting big
Very jealous. I'm not sharing this. Hey, my butt looks good in this. You see that?
Yeah.
Why did you tell me? God, big butt. Honey, I'm drunk.
You didn't tell, and you couldn't tell until you stood up, and then you're like, oh,
Oh God.
something changed.
How did that kid fall it out?
Light way of saying drunk is it? Lush.
I'm so lush.
You're not. You're so lush. You are a lush.
I am so lush.
You are a lush. I'm a lush.
I'm a lush.
There you go.
Baby says I'm a lush. Am I a lush? Hey guys, it is 13:56.
So what
Last
should
time, I feel okay. Can I drive?
No, babe.
Why not?
Because you are a little.
I'll give you my cotton candy.
That's not a bit.
Cotton candy for the wheels.
Nothing.
Ugh.
I wouldn't even.
Brunch is really good. The bubbly even better. I've never felt good paying for stuff until I finished 6 glasses of bubbly. That's really a proud moment for me. We are headed to Mlimani. I need to pick a foundation from MAC. Hopefully it's not closed. But if it's closed, we can also go to that place with the thing and the stuff. There's another beauty shop that I know there that I could pick my foundation powder. That's the one thing I need to get. Ooh, can we get batteries?
Yeah, that's good. Exactly. That was on our list for things to get in money.
That's on that. We're going to Mlimani and then I'll catch you guys later. If I don't later, I said later. There's no T. Zero T's in between. I'll catch with you guys later. It is 3:40. So I ended up getting the NW48 from MAC. It looks like so. The one that I was using. I'm so glad. I am so glad for this. You wanna see? Booyah!
Wow.
That's what I had. I've used it like it owes me money. That's a new one. I know it looks different here, but it's my foundation shade. It's the one I am wearing. And then while we are on there, Anisan had one task. Go to Mlimani, get this, and then we go home, but he failed at that. So he ended up getting perfume. Shame on you. It's Carolina Herrera's Good Girl. This is the old formula. Let's unbox this in the car. Yeah, this way. So I got this. Focus. Hey, it matches my nails.
Except for that one. When did that happen?
Yesterday. That was all you.
What?
Do you want me to say it in front of the camera? Very fruity. And now we are headed home. So I will pick you guys later. No, that's a lie. I'll pick you whenever I pick you. Could be tomorrow. Could be next weekend. You guys remember when I said I was gonna talk to you guys later and whatnot? Yeah, so we passed by the plant shop and then I remember I needed plants for my office. Yeah, I know. Long story short, I needed plants for my office and then Annie's son is a plant dad. I'm not sure what the name of the plant is. So we got this one for the office and then I also got this snake plant for my desk and then also got this one. And it has a black pot, so love that. Yeah. Next bit, I was supposed to be going home, but we're going to get my nails done. By we, I mean me and Annie's son.
Except for that one.
I'm going there, Nail Planet. Hey guys, good afternoon and welcome to Wednesday. It's been 3 days? 3 days since we last chat. The last time I did talk to you guys was late Sunday where I was doing my nails, which turned out so great. Love them, love them, love them. I'm gonna go ahead and say these are definitely by far the most amazing nails I've ever had. Cost me an arm and a leg. I am headed for a board meeting. I love and hate them. Love them because I get to leave the office early. Like now, it's actually, this is not early. I could have done better. I left like 12, which was the plan. Leave at 12, get home, have lunch with my boo, and then go for the meeting, which is at Bella Napoli. It is currently 13:26. The meeting is at 2. Intended to pick you guys on Monday, but nothing really happened. I just went to work. On Monday was also a birthday for one of my dearest friends. My boyfriend and I will be taking her out for dinner later after my meeting. Hopefully it's not going to be long, because these meetings tend to drag sometime to like 7. And I kick myself a lot. I'm from downtown, headed to Masaki. We're having the meeting at Bella Napoli, so looking forward to the coffee. Anyways, I'm gonna laugh and leave you, and then I'll pick you guys later in the evening when I am dressed just like that. Bye! Hey guys, it is later in the day. Me and Annie-san are about to step out for the birthday dinner that I did mention earlier on. I'm fully dressed. I'm wearing a black shirt dress. I'll show you guys my full outfit. Oh god, I need to sneeze. So on my face I have my MAC foundation powder, and then I'm having my red lippy classic Ruby Woo by MAC, and then my eyebrows are still doing good, but also god, they're very itchy. This is day 4. If you want to know how the progress is going, again I'll link the vlog for my eyebrow microblading experience down below. I'll show you guys my outfit, and then let's go. Outfit check. Gray jeans, white t-shirt, me. And that's on the outfit of the day. Hello, good morning you guys. It is a very fine Thursday. The last time I spoke to you guys, I think I was in the house. I'm not sure there's any snippet or clips that happened when we were at dinner, me, Stella and T, but it was an amazing time. We were at Zwan, that's where we went for dinner, and then right now it is 8:20. I'm on my way to work. My timings have slightly changed. I don't leave early in the office, so technically I'm doing 9 to 5. Annie's son woke up a little bit earlier than me. He made me breakfast and lunch. You guys saw that. Again, every day this guy keeps just surprising me, but again, acts of service is his love language, and I am here for it. Anyways, love languages. Is it a conversation you guys would like to have? Because honestly, I didn't know that you're supposed to love people the way they're supposed to be loved, and not how you think you love them so much. So that was a good lesson that I learned just somewhere in life. Anyways, I'm on my way to work, and then I don't want to talk to you guys so much, so I will catch up with you guys in the evening.